Here's how you can verify on your Cash App account. So first of all, you just have to open up your Cash App account, and after that you just have to look for identity verification section. So right now in the latest update there is no option like that, but if you have it you just have to tap on and continue the on-screen instruction process. So after that, if I open up this Cash App article, as you can see, if you attempt to cash out, send or receive a payment using Cash App, you will be prompted to verify your account with your full name, date of birth, and address for security purposes, and you must be 18 plus to use Cash App. So as you can see, if you try to send amount of money that is not in the limit of your account, let's say 500 or plus euros. So if you transfer this from your account to another, you will be automatically prompted to verify. So you just have to again follow the on screen instructions. You just have to provide your full name, date of birth, and the four number of your social security number, and you will also need to provide a government issue photo ID. So after that you will be able to verify Cash App account. Hope this helped. This is how to verify your Cash App account.